Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel your order on Shein and get a refund, quick and easy. Whether you change your mind or order the wrong item, this step-by-step guide will help you cancel before it's too late. So start by opening the Shein application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the Me icon right over here. Inside here, you'll then be able to find options like My Orders. Beside it, go ahead and tap on View All. If the status shows unpaid or processing, you may still be able to cancel it. If the order is still on the early stage, you'll see a cancel button next to it. In my case, I don't have any order, but if you do have any orders, you'll see a cancel button next to it. Tap onto it and confirm the cancellation, and then your order will be cancelled immediately and the refund will be processed. Refunds are usually sent to your original payment method. If you have paid via your PayPal, expect your money back in 5 or 10 business days, and you can also choose Shein Wallet Credit for faster refund use on your next order. If the order is already been shipped, you cannot cancel it. Instead, wait for it to arrive and start a return to the same My Order section. And that is simply how you can cancel an order on Shein and get your money back. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.